Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about carbohydrate, an important biomolecule. The carbohydrate is the combination of two words. Number first is carbo, which means carbon, and hydrate means water. In simple word, we say the hydrate of carbon. For example, if we consider a carbohydrate which is glucose C6H12O6 combined in cellular respiration with oxygen, they produce carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. Here, if we say they produce water, therefore this is called hydrate of carbon. The hydrate of carbon, the carbon-containing compound which produce water on hydrolysis in cellular respiration. Definition of carbohydrate. The carbohydrate is a polyhydroxyaldehyde. They are a polyhydroxyaldehyde which attach aldehyde group, or polyhydroxyketone compound are the polyhydroxy which attach ketonic group. In simple word, having functional group aldehyde or ketone. The polyhydroxy which contain aldehyde group is known as polyhydroxyaldehyde, and those which contain ketonic group known as polyhydronic ketonic compound. Carbohydrate contain the three main compounds, which is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. There is an old concept about the carbohydrate, that the carbohydrate containing same ratio of carbon and hydrogen as in water. If we consider this water, in water there are 2:1, two hydrogen molecule compound with one oxygen molecule. Same case if we consider the carbohydrate which is glucose C6H12O6. Here, if we observe the ratio of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, this is 2:1, 2:1. In other cases, fructose, galactose, sucrose, all having 2:1 is similar as in the water. But this concept is correct about few carbohydrates, but not for all carbohydrates. If we consider the deoxyribose sugar C5H10O4, here the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen as third, which is equal to 2.1:1, not equal to 2:1. So this concept is not correct about all carbohydrates. What is the functional group? The functional group is a group of atoms which attach to a molecule and change their property. For example, in case of carbohydrate, there is two types of functional group. One is the aldehyde and the second is the ketone functional group. If we consider the aldehyde group, in the aldehyde group there is a carbon attached and double bond to oxygen. On other side the hydrogen atom, and one is the R group, which is a variable group. There may be ethyl, there may be a methyl group, etc. The glucose and the galactose are the polyhydroxyaldehyde, a type of carbohydrate which contain aldehyde functional group. The second one is the ketonic functional group. The ketonic functional group which carbon attached to oxygen and double bond and having two variable or R group attached to the carbon. Consider the structural diagram of glucose, which is a polyhydroxyaldehyde, and the formula of glucose is aldehyde group are attached, which attach to a double bond to oxygen and hydrogen, and this one the R group on the lower side of the molecule. And this is the structural formula of aldehyde. In simple word, we say the glucose is a polyhydroxyaldehyde. But if we consider the fructose, which is the structural isomer of glucose, this is a ketonic group in which the carbon attached and double bond to oxygen, and two are group, one on the upper side and the second on the lower side. The next term which is necessary to remember, the aldehyde group always attach on carbon number 1 because they verify their valency on their position, but the ketonic group will be always attached on carbon number 2 because they verify their valency on carbon number 2. Thanks for watching. For next video, please.